In about 20 days, Goddess Durga will arrive once again, as she does every year in various forms. In 2024, Goddess Durga will arrive in a palanquin and depart on a horse. According to scriptures, an arrival in a palanquin signals the onset of pandemics or widespread disease, which is considered ominous.
8 অক্টোবর থেকে 10 অক্টোবর এবং এবার পূজার তিথিও আমাদের খুব সংক্ষিপ্ত। প্রতিটা তিথি এবার পড়ে গেছে প্রাতঃ সকাল 7টার মধ্যে এবং নবমী দশমী বিজয়া দশমী যেটা একই দিনে পড়ে গেছে।
A departure on a horse symbolizes societal unrest and political chaos, hinting at disorder. In light of the current situation in the country, the Home Advisor has issued some guidelines for the Hindu community. He emphasized the following. Ensuring safety during the construction of the puja mandaps. Taking measures to prevent accidents and prepare for rescue operations. Ensuring the safety of women and children visiting the puja mandaps. Disconnecting electricity during certain times. Appointing volunteers for security purposes with specific schedules, 3 volunteers at night and 2 during the day. No musical instruments will be played during the azan or prayer times. Some Islamic organizations have pledged to provide security for Hindus during the puja.
সামনে দুর্গাপূজা আসতেছে, আমি হিন্দুদেরকে বলবো মহা উৎসবে আপনাদের ধর্মীয় অনুষ্ঠান পালন করুন, আরো ভালোমতো পালন করুন।
Faisal Karim stated that those who politicize the minority issue are the ones attacking temples, adding that no true Muslim would do such a thing. They assured that no disruptions would be allowed during the puja, although they clarified they would not celebrate themselves as they believe. Religion is personal and festivals are personal. Despite these assurances, incidents like idol vandalism, forced religious conversions of Hindus, and threats to leave the country continue in various regions. In many places, new Durga idols are being vandalized, repeatedly hurting the sentiments of Hindus. After the government's resignation on August 5th, when atrocities were committed against Hindus, they initiated an 8-point protest. The new government gave them hope that the situation would normalize, but this has yet to happen. As the condition of Hindus worsens, they have again launched an 8-point demand protest at Shaba. Their repeated call for increased security is at the forefront of this protest. The Hindu Jagran Manch has announced a protest rally at Shahid Minar on September 20th if their 8-point demand is not met.
একটা রিপিট কথা আমার সবার উদ্দেশ্যে বলতে চাই, আমরা যদি মরার জন্য সবাই একত্রে আছি তাহলে কেউই মরবো না। আমরা যদি বাঁচার জন্য সবাই এক এক করে পালিয়ে যাই তাহলে সবাই মরে যাব।